Livre 5. Renouveau. Chapitre 12. Rappel. Oh,
Zoe, you're awake.
What? Oh, Wonkers, get off me! Oh, what time is it? Wait, where am I?
You're in the hospital, Zoe. In Casablanca. Don't you remember?
No.
You got really sick, and they brought you here to make you better. I've been watching over you. You've been in a coma for a long, long time.
I'm not sure. I'm confused.
You just woke up, Zoe. It must be strange to be awake again. Don't worry. It'll pass. You just need to rest. Go back to sleep now. I'll watch over you.
Wonkers, you don't sound like yourself.
You've been very sick, Zoe. You can't trust yourself right now. Just close your eyes and go back to sleep. You'll feel much better afterwards.
No, I can't sleep anymore.
I wouldn't recommend that, Zoe. You're not well. You need to go back to sleep.
I need to get up.
I wouldn't recommend that, Zoe. You're not well. You need to go back to
Stop
sleep.
it, Wonkers!
eh bien, salut à tous. On se retrouve au tout début du livre 5, chapitre 12 de Dreamfall Chapters. Et effectivement, ça nous donne un sentiment de déjà-vu, parce qu'on s'est déjà réveillé de ce coma. Mais là, on a déjà l'impression d'être surveillé, mais ça, on l'a vu par rapport à cette espèce de quête qui m'a l'air d'être une vie de sans fin. Et c'est une télé en théorie, mais bon, voilà. Moi, je pense qu'on a été enfermé, qu'on a recréé l'environnement de notre chambre d'hôpital, mais qu'en fait, soit tout ça est virtuel, soit on essaie de nous arnaquer. Ah, ça fait trop bizarre quand on s'est arrêté là-dessus. Et ça, c'est quoi? Affichage.
Over 200 unread posts. So I was more popular in a coma than when I was awake. Encouraging.
Curieux, curieux. Carte de bon rétablissement.
Flowers from Liv.
C'est un peu comme si on essayait de nous faire oublier tout ce qui s'est passé après notre réveil du coma.
The call button should really be next to the bed. Although, I guess they weren't expecting me to wake up from my coma anytime soon. Those vitals aren't too bad.
Bon, en même temps, t'y es plus connecté là.
Good old Wonkers. For as long as I can remember, he's been there for me. Like a surrogate sibling and guardian. Best gift
Are you
ever.
tired, Zoe?
But
You
there's
must be tired.
something not quite right about
Let's
him.
go back to sleep.
I can't put
I'll
my
stay
finger on
right
it, but
here.
he's not
I promise I won't
really
ever leave you.
Wonkers. No, I don't want to sleep anymore.
You're not feeling well. I can tell. You're exhausted. And you're seeing things that aren't real.
I don't know what's wrong, but it's not me. It's this place. It's you, Wonkers. You're all wrong.
That hurts my feelings, Zoe.
Effectivement, un peu bizarre. Bon.
Graduation day, in front of... I'd almost forgotten this. I won a competition.
Ça date ça.
Second place, I think. Jama was Jardin de Roses. Home, sweet home for most of my tumultuous teenage years. Dad and me in Casablanca.
Ils ont mis plein de photos.
Our 5th anniversary. Reza and I took the backtracks to Norway and a hydrofoil to Svalbard. We spent a long weekend travelling around the island. That's me in Cape Town. Mum, Dad, and me. That was when we moved to Casablanca.
Ça, c'est curieux.
It's a card from Karen.
Bon, je ne sais plus qui est Karen, je suis désolé, là je ne sais pas. Bon bah du coup j'imagine que la porte est fermée et qu'il faut interagir avec la télé.
This must go into the hospital hallway. It's locked. Why on earth would they lock a hospital room? That feels unsafe.
Il y a l'armoire aussi pour récupérer nos vêtements. Ah, c'est vraiment nos vêtements de
No,
du
this
tout
isn't
début de
really me
Dreamfall en
anymore.
fait. Ah, elle les a pas gardés? Attendez.
No, this isn't really me anymore.
Oui, bon, d'accord, mais tu vas pas rester en petite tenue non plus. Ah bah visiblement si. Bon bah ok. C'est symbolique, hein, bien évidemment.
Thanks for joining us. Things are generally going very well today. Wouldn't you say so, Marek?
Incredibly well, Rika. We'll soon be out of jobs, the both of us.
I honestly wouldn't mind one bit, Marek. Following up on yesterday's heartwarming Watty Corp story. Thanks for joining us. Things are
Ah, ça
generally
remet à
going
chaque
very
fois,
well today.
ok.
Wouldn't you say so, Marek?
Incredibly well, Rika. We'll soon be out of jobs, the both of us.
I honestly wouldn't
You
mind
don't
one
sound
bit, Marek.
right.
You're imagining things, Zoe. You're very, very tired.
Favorite dream ship has
Sleeping
announced
will
that
help you
customer
feel better. You should go back to sleep. Just for a little while.
No.
Yeah, but who can argue? The dreamer has changed
Petit défaut de
everything.
traduction. Apparemment, on peut juste se recoucher, s'asseoir
Why
visiblement.
don't you go back to sleep, Zoe? You'll feel much better if you
Arrête
do.
d'insister, toi, tu m'énerves.
I've slept enough.
Mais j'espère qu'on n'est pas obligé, par contre. Parce qu'il est bien possible qu'on soit obligé.
It's locked. Why on earth would they lock a hospital room? That feels locked. All that beach and sunshine and I'm locked inside.
Ouais, j'ai l'impression qu'on va être obligé de s'endormir. Ça m'embête ça, moi je m'endormirai pas là, clairement. Tout est suspect dans cette chambre.
Get well, get better. Please wake up. Hope you recover. Don't. I spent my 21st. Hey, a message from Emma. She finally opened her gallery. Jama sent me something. Knowing her, it's probably a list of exercises to. Oh, an invitation from CTU to come back and talk about my experiences. What experiences? How to not succeed after graduation? Avoiding bed sores? Also, the event was 6 months ago. My surprisingly large circle of acquaintances has been busy talking about me in my absence. Now that I'm awake, I probably won't hear from any of them ever again.
T'abuses un peu, hein. T'avais quand même des
Over
relations.
200 unread posts. So I
Bon,
was
j'ai
more
l'impression qu'on
popular
n'a
in
vraiment
the
pas le
coma
choix,
than
hein.
when I was awake.
Et la télé s'est éteinte toute seule.
Encouraging.
Ouais. Ah, c'est frustrant. Pourquoi nous laisser le choix si on n'a pas le choix? Bon, bah on va s'endormir, hein. Et ça...
Good old Wonkers. For as long as I can remember, he's been there for me. Like a surrogate sibling and guardian. Best gift ever. But there's something not quite right about him. I can't put my finger on it, but he's not really Wonkers. You don't sound right.
You're imagining things, Zoe.
Ouais,
You're
bon.
sleeping.
No.
Alors j'ai très peur que si je fais m'endormir, il y a un symbole, vous avez fait un choix. Ce qui veut dire que j'aurais pas vu ce qu'on pouvait faire d'autre ici. Et ça me blaserait un peu. Ça me blaserait beaucoup même.
It's locked.
Et là, j'avoue que je vois pas.
That feels unsafe. The Atlantic Ocean looks perfectly serene from here. When the megastorms aren't raging, of course, then not so much.
Il n'y a rien d'autre avec lequel on peut réagir, interagir en tout cas.
Thanks for joining us. Things are generally going very well today. Wouldn't you say so, Marek?
Incredibly well, Rika. We'll
plus.
soon be out of jobs, the both of us.
No, this isn't really me anymore.
Marek. Following
Bon, bah, on va se rendormir, hein. Visiblement, on n'a pas le choix.
Hola, sweetie. I hope these flowers will brighten your day. Love, Liv.
Ah, il y a le
That's cute.
bouton.
Liv's cute.
110%.
Impressive, Rika, but who can argue? The Dreamer has changed everything.
An end to war,
Your call
an end
has
to
been
violence,
registered.
an end
We will
to
send
poverty.
someone to your
What are
room
we
as
doing
soon
here,
as
Marek?
possible.
We should be in Dreamtime too.
You said it, Rika. You said
All
it.
nurses are currently busy.
Waticorp has also
Please wait
announced
for the
that
next
surplus
available
profits
nurse.
from the Dreamers
Ça sent
Fund
l'arnaque,
is
ça.
sponsoring free dreamers for children in
I'm
need
sorry, but
worldwide,
everyone's
giving
frightfully
them the
busy.
opportunity
Your
to
patience
escape
is
their dreary,
appreciated.
pointless existence
Combien de
for
phrases ils ont
life,
écrit?
endless joy and happiness inside
Stop pushing
Dreamtime.
that button.
Outstanding.
We won't get you
Just
any quicker
another
even if you
reason why
keep pushing it.
Waticorp is our favourite corporation, Marek. And they're not even paying us to say that.
Stop. Please stop.
Bah, viens.
Someone will be with you shortly.
But seriously, things are
Your
great.
call has
They
been
are
registered.
so
We
good.
will send someone
Ok,
to
il
your
y en a
room
pas
as
d'autres.
soon as possible.
Mais je vois... Ah non, je croyais qu'on pouvait aussi toucher l'écran, mais non.
Not being in a coma probably helps.
Bon, ça nous aura pas aidé le bouton, du coup. J'ai pas envie d'aller dormir, hein. Laissez-moi tranquille.
It's locked. Why on earth would they...
Oh là là, on dirait qu'il n'y a rien d'autre.
Locked. Locked.
J'ai eu un petit espoir avec le
All
bouton,
that
mais...
beach and sunshine and I'm locked inside.
Mais non, que dalle.
You don't sound right.
You're asleep.
No.
Bon bah allez, on va s'endormir. Désolé, hein, j'avais pas envie, j'avais vraiment pas envie là. Mais on dirait vraiment que le jeu ne laissera rien faire d'autre.
All nurses are currently busy. Please wait for the next available nurse.
Ah,
Why don't you go back to sleep, Zoe?
There's something very wrong about this, and if I go to sleep again...
Ah ouais, mais en plus les textes me disent de ne pas le faire.
Maybe I'll feel better if I take a nap. There's something very wrong about this, and if I go to sleep again... I've slept enough.
Aïe 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 aïe. Vous allez me détester, hein. Vous allez me détester. Rien d'autre à faire.
There's something very wrong here. Not just the room itself, but what exactly? I can't put my finger on it, unless I literally put my finger on it. I think I need to take a closer look at things. Dad's been away a lot. I remember that day. We had one of our dad and daughter days. We walked around exploring the city, we went to a museum, and then we ate an amazing buffet dinner at the Wati. Dad and me in Casa. Dad's been away a lot, traveling. I remember that day.
Je crois qu'il faut regarder tous les objets plusieurs fois. Elle a fait quand même une réflexion qui était très étrange.
We always talked about going to Svalbard. It's such an incredible place. So 5 years together. I remember we stayed at the what was the name of that place again? And where was it? I don't remember any of it.
Oh.
What just happened?
On est bien dans une simulation.
It's weird, but I remember nothing from the trip, aside from talking to Reza about it and this photo. We were there, and we've been together for 5 years. Haven't we? Okay, that was not just in my head. Something's definitely going on. This must have been Sandy Bay. I remember this day vividly. 5 minutes after this picture was taken, there was a sudden influx of naked 70-year-old men. That's me. This must have
Là,
been
j'avais rien de
Sandy
plus.
Bay. Mum and Dad were always moving when I was growing up because of their jobs. This must have been the 5th or 6th home we moved into. I remember falling in love with the place as soon as we got there. It had all these nooks and crannies, a balcony and my own room with an awesome view.
Rien à voir, mais du coup, avec la petite étiquette Mocha Loco, je me souviens, Karen, c'est la serveuse de café. Ah, j'avais complètement oublié ça.
There were so many hiding places. Me and when she came after me, she would stomp her feet and shout. What was it she'd say again? I don't actually remember her voice that well, or her face, or that she was there with Dad and me. Shit. Am I losing my mind, or is reality glitching? Mum was... she wasn't... Where was she? Now I'm officially freaked out. Helena was never part of our lives. It was just me and Dad.
Et regardez, on l'a tournée et la mère n'est plus là. Effectivement, parce qu'elle n'était pas avec nous.
You shouldn't be on your feet.
Helena was never in a
Come on.
family photo.
I'll tuck you
It's
in
a
and
false
read you a
memory.
little story, just like in the old days.
Helena was never part of our lives. It was just me and Dad. She abandoned us when I was an infant. Helena was never in a family photo.
Très bien.
It's a false memory. Karen's nice. She's been it's a card from Karen's nice.
Ok, là, il n'y a rien de
She's been a
plus.
good
On
friend,
peut peut-être
and
récupérer
she
celle-ci
makes
aussi des
great
photos.
coffee. No. No, this is wrong. This feels all wrong.
Ok, bon, on a bien fait de pas s'endormir. Je sais pas si on pouvait vraiment le faire, mais bon.
We talked about going to Svalbard, but we never did.
Ah,
We broke
ah,
up,
ah.
And that trip, it never happened.
You don't look well, Zoe. You're probably seeing things. Please lie down, just for a minute.
This
I'll
isn't
watch
a
over
real
you.
memory.
I'll
We
sing
talked
for
about going
you.
to Svalbard, but we never did. We broke up, and that
Du coup,
trip
celui-ci aussi, il serait
never.
faux.
Dad and me in Casablanca. Dad's been away a lot. I remember that day. We had Dad and me in Casablanca. Dad's
Ok,
been
celle-ci,
away
elle
a
est au
lot,
correct.
traveling, but with Casablanca's a great place to grow up. Such an interesting mix of cultures and very safe and clean. But maybe I'll go back to Cape Town, Jardin de Roses.
Celle-ci aussi, elle est
Home, sweet
correcte.
home for most of my tumultuous teenage years.
Mais elle a pas eu son diplôme.
Cape Town University has the most beautiful views. I remember feeling like the end of my bioengineering degree was impossibly far away. I can't believe I actually... Come to think of it, I don't remember much from that day. I was there, I was wearing a gown, but who else was there? Dad? Reza? And what was the ceremony like? I just can't remember. Weird. Something's wrong. The whole graduation thing, something's definitely wrong here. I didn't graduate.
Bah oui.
I dropped out. I mean, sometimes I wish I hadn't. But this is a false memory.
Pas très discret
This
ce
isn't
mensonge-là, par
helping
contre. Hein.
anyone, Zoe. You're just going to ruin
I never graduated from
everything.
Cape Town University.
Please stop. Please go back to bed.
I'd
Go back to
almost
sleep,
forgotten
Zoe.
this. I won a competition. I'd almost forgotten
Ok,
this.
celle-ci, a rien de
I won a
spécial.
competition. Second, I'm so happy to have Olivia. When was the last time I visited her shop? That was ages ago. Did it close down? I remember something about... Something happened to her, to Liv. Something terrible.
Alors, dans mes souvenirs, la dernière fois qu'on a croisé Liv, c'était dans Dreamfall, le deuxième jeu. Et il me semble qu'à la fin, elle se fait... Enfin, sa boutique se fait envahir par les membres de l'œil. Et on n'a pas plus de nouvelles.
Olivia,
Ah, ils l'ont tuée.
she's dead.
Je me souvenais plus qu'elle était morte.
I feel it. Liv had an accident. She's dead. She never sent me a get well card. Liv didn't send this. It's not real. Liv had an accident. She's dead. She never sent me a get well card. Oh my god. This isn't real. This place is a hallucination or a projection. I need to get out of here.
Look what you've done. Why couldn't you just leave things be? We could be happy here together. The both of us, forever. I need you to go back to sleep, Zoe. Now, before it's too late. Before... Look what you've done. Look what you've done. Why couldn't you just leave things be? We could be happy here together.
Something's wrong. This place and you. You're all wrong. You're not you.
That doesn't make any sense, Zoe. Of course I'm me. I've always been me. Wonkers, your old friend. Your best friend in the whole world.
You look the same, but you don't act the same and you don't sound the same. It's like someone put you together from memory, but they didn't get the details right. They didn't know you like I know you, and they probably figured it wouldn't matter. That's what's wrong with this whole place. It's made of memories, and some of them are not right. Europolis, Arcadia. I wasn't dreaming. They were real. This is the dream, or a dream made physical. By me. I made this, and I can see through it.
But I'm real, Zoe? Aren't I?
Of course you are, Wonkers. Of course you're real.
Are you sure you don't want to play a game? We haven't played a game in so long.
I'm sorry, Wonkers.
Okay then. Promise to wake me up later?
I promise.
Nighty-night.
I'll miss you too, buddy.
Ok, apparemment c'est nous qui avons créé la pièce. Bon, on se souvient que Zoé c'est une rêveuse, hein, bien sûr, mais est-ce qu'on peut sortir du coup? Bon, déjà, la télé...
What's this? Is this a one-way window? Have they been
Ah oui,
observing
regardez, on
me?
voit vraiment la
Fuck.
vraie tronche de la pièce. Et ça, on l'avait vu que c'était une vie de Santin. Ah, il n'y a pas de porte carrément ici. Ah oui, c'est vraiment que des murs. Il n'y a même pas de bouton. Il n'y a même pas de bouton d'appel. C'était un fou. Très bien. Ah, je peux passer à travers le lit du coup. Ça, c'est bizarre. Par contre, il y a quelque chose ici. Et ça, c'est curieux. Allons voir. C'est très éclairé en tout cas, hein. Ça doit bien consommer. Est-ce que c'est nous qui avons créé ça ou est-ce qu'on est vraiment observé? Oula, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Oula. Ah, t'as perdu un peu en charisme, ma pauvre. Il y a des capteurs sur sa tête. Mais où est-ce qu'on est? Waouh! Et je pense qu'on va switcher un autre personnage, histoire de bien nous frustrer. Il y a de grandes chances. Kian, probablement. Trois jours plus tôt. Ok, on repart en arrière. Effectivement, on avait sauvé Bip.
Bip, stop that. It's not a toy. You could kill someone. Someone you don't want to kill.
Send for a healer, you cretins! My legs are broken!
What do we do with her?
I haven't decided yet. We have enough on Sister Alessandra to hold a summary court-martial and execute her. Or we send her to Sadir to stand trial. She'll face death. Or worse, a solitary life sentence in the black hole. To be honest, I think that decision should be yours.
Waouh! Ah bah vas-y, direct toi.
Our people must know the truth. Alessandra
Alors
needs
moi je
to
suis plutôt
stand
là-dessus.
trial. She must stand trial. But we don't know what's happening in Sadir. Someone may want to protect her.
Ah c'est pas faux ça.
She's murdered thousands, and she believes she's
Ouais, alors ça on
righteous.
va pas le faire même si bon, en vrai elle
Nothing will
mérite
gain.
hein,
Our
mais bon.
people must know that she must stand
J'hésite entre
trial.
Sadir et GN
But we
du coup.
don't know what's happening in Sadir. Someone may want to protect her, and we can't bring her with us to Mercuria.
Ah. Alors je pense que Kian aurait plus tendance à dire Sadir. Et moi plus GN. Ah j'hésite. C'est difficile.
Our people must know the truth. Alessandra needs to stand trial for what she's done.
Allez, on va dire GN.
Trial. What if we leave her here?
Leave her? Do you think that's a good idea?
Je voulais pas la laisser, je voulais la juger.
Her crimes are against magicals.
Ah non,
Let
non,
them
non, ça va
decide
pas,
what
hein.
to
C'est
do
pas ça
with
que je
her.
voulais, moi.
I can't imagine they'll show her any mercy.
Ah, ils vont la juger ici comme... Bon, ils vont la tuer,
Sister
ok.
Alessandra in the hands of her prisoners. May the goddess have mercy on her soul.
De ces prisonniers. Ah ouais, non mais c'est pas ça que je voulais, hein.
You're doing the shadows work.
Bon, tant pis.
Goddess.
J'espère que c'est pas un choix que je vais regretter plus tard, mais bon, je l'ai pas vraiment choisi, hein, là. Je
We go
m'arnaquais.
back, and we end this. Can I count on your help?
You can. When I
Il va se
followed
faire
you,
tuer, le vieux, c'est sûr.
I had no idea. I had my suspicions. I don't trust Vamon and Saya. They've been lying to us, and they're planning something. But I was blinded by faith and my trust in the Council. I followed you so that I could arrest you, kill you if necessary, to have my eyes opened this way.
C'est sûr qu'il va mourir.
Veil has been lifted, all thanks to you, and the Dolmari, of course. Your man Liko. I failed you. I failed our nation. And I'm sorry for that, Kian, for distrusting you. I should have known better.
Par contre, ce qui m'embête un petit peu là, enfin ce qui m'embête, c'est que j'aurais fait à sa place, mais il va pas le faire. Je pense qu'il va se faire tuer, quoi là. C'est clairement, dès que tu vois ce genre de complot et tout, faut propager l'information le plus vite possible et le plus loin possible, parce qu'effectivement, on va essayer de te couper, tout simplement, de te tuer. Comme ça, tu ne pourras pas révéler ce que tu sais. Du coup, bah voilà. Mais bon, alors.
He should have known better than to brand me a traitor. But our friendship may never be the same. But we need to put this behind us and move on. I'm disappointed in him. He should know me better than to think I would knowingly betray my people. But I won't confront him about it until after the war is won.
Ouais, alors les trois me paraissent pas si fous que ça. Concrètement, le côté ouais, je lui en veux parce qu'il m'a pas fait confiance, bah, écoute, t'as rejoint la résistance qui est son ennemi, tu fais des choses pas cool, c'est plus facile de croire qu'une personne a trahi que le monde entier en fait. Enfin, c'est un petit peu, je trouve ça un peu bidon
He should have known better than to brand me a
le fait qu'il lui en veuille.
But I understand why he made our friendship may never be the same. But we need to put this
Ouais,
behind
moi je suis
us
plutôt
and move
là-dessus.
on.
Alors dans la vie, je suis plutôt rancunier, je pardonne pas surtout les trahisons. Mais là, dans ce cas-là, il n'y a pas eu de trahison pour moi, donc c'est plus des points de vue différents avec des informations différentes. Il faut réanalyser la situation à partir du moment présent pour faire les meilleurs choix pour le futur.
Let's forget the past, Hami, and
Je
focus
suis d'accord.
instead on the future.
Agreed? We need to act quickly before they learn what happened here.
Carrément.
There's one thing I must know. Who told you that Liko and I had gone to Gien?
Mother Utana. Don't ask me how she knew. Well, she has her sources. She urged me to follow you.
She wanted you to see this with your own eyes.
Perhaps so, but how would she know what I'd find here?
She trusted me.
Yes, although, if she already knew the truth, why did she say nothing? Wouldn't it be better to keep me in Mercuria and arrest Vamon and Saya?
I'm sure she had her reasons, Hami. Is your cloud ship ready to bring us back?
The fastest ship in the fleet. We'll be there in less than 3 days.
Enough time to lay plans along the way. I need your most trusted men to fight alongside the rebels against Vamon's troops.
They will. There are fewer of us than there are of them, but we have the light on our side. We'll follow your command, Kian. To the first mountain, if it be so. What about the Dolmari? Liko?
He's speaking to the prisoners. He'll accompany us. I'll send for him. Liko will expect his people to be brought back to Mercuria, or given free passage to wherever they want to go.
I give you my word, as soon as the conflict has been resolved.
We'll have to leave young Bip with his parents, or I'm sure he'll try to sneak on board our ship. Bip, time to go.
Ouais, bon, c'était un peu résumé quand même, hein. Mais très bien, très bien. Il va peut-être se sentir coupable, Liko, hein, que la rébellion se soit fait écraser. Faites des moissons.
Everything's ready for the ceremony, Your Excellency.
The engineers have informed me that the engine is ready. Whenever you wish to begin.
My men have been posted around the city, ready to handle any unrest. Though I don't expect any. This being Reap Moon's Eve, most of the peasants will be too drunk to pay attention.
C'est ça leur grand plan. Qu'est-ce que ça va donner?
You've done all I've asked.
Et qui es-tu, toi?
Away, there will be fewer distractions to worry about. The Office of Scientific Progress has proven itself a loyal servant to the goddess. The support in Sadir has been unwavering. I am pleased with your work.
Thank you, Prophet. We live to serve the goddess.
Where is the first?
In her room, praying for the success of our mission. She did not want to overshadow this ceremony with her presence. Her humility makes her a worthy one of the six.
You deserve all the glory tonight, sister. You, and the commander, of course. When I activate the engine, a new era will begin. We will shape this world according to the wishes of the goddess. Magic will finally be eradicated. The transition may cause fear and unrest for a time, but I trust you to handle this with authority and efficiency.
Of course.
I must prepare. When I am ready, I'll send word to you. You will have the privilege of telling the people of this city they're witnessing the birth of a new era.
Ok, c'est Dark Vador, quoi.
Harmy has returned. With Kian. He's joined the Resistance.
What? Who told you this?
They've been trying to recruit my men. Some have turned, though most have not.
Why didn't you inform the Prophet?
And have him cast us from the top of the tower. We'll handle this. The Prophet will never know.
Mother Utana and the First, they can't know either. They might interfere.
You take care of them. I will take care of the Resistance and Harmy. Once and for all. Soon it won't even matter. Tonight, once the engine is active.
We take control, yes, I know. I just... We didn't need this. Not when we're so close, after all that we...
Don't worry yourself, sire. Proceed as planned.
Yes. Yes.
Ok, donc on a un nouveau personnage, le prophète, qui a le visage masqué, donc qui a des chances que ce soit quelqu'un qu'on connaisse en fait. Je vois pas vraiment qui pour le coup, mais bon voilà.
Long ago, when I was a boy, exploring the mountains close to my village, I met an old Dormari man, herding his stone goats. Our two people were officially at war, but there were still Dormari tribes near our village and some trade between humans and magicals. The old man spoke with kindness, fed me dried fruits and goat's milk, and told me I had magic in me, just like his grandchildren. When I returned home and told my mother, she commanded me to never speak a word of this to my father. And then she leaned in and whispered something in my ear I'll always remember. Magic, she said, is a part of everything. Magic is in the wind and rain, the stones and the ocean. It's in me, my mother said. And it's in you. Your heart, your mind, your blood. We've been at war with magic for most of my life. But I've never forgot my mother's whispered words. And I've always felt it in me. Felt that magic's a part of me. For decades, I've fought it, denied it, rejected it. Tonight, that fight ends, and another begins. This is no longer a war between humans and magicals. This is a battle for the very soul of our world. If you will have me, if you accept us, we stand with you all. We fight at your side.
Tonight, We put aside our differences, our history, our grievances, and we stand united as one. Humans and magicals, Azadi and Northlanders. We are all Arcadians. Our eyes have been opened to the truth of what's being done to magicals. The Prophet has deceived the Azadi people. The engine is a weapon aimed at us all. We don't yet know what this ceremony will bring, but if we don't act tonight, in the face of death, we shall live to regret it tomorrow. General Harmy will lead sorties against Vamon's men, force their surrender, and push through to the commander and Sister Saya. Those who refuse to lay down their arms, we fight. As hard as it will be to strike at your own brothers, there's no other choice. Your goal is to apprehend Saya and Vamon, alive if possible, dead if necessary. You'll take your commands from the General. Any misgivings you may have must be put to rest now. I trust Harmy with my life. And tonight, so shall you. The engine must be destroyed. We don't know what it's truly for or how it works, but the Prophet means to reshape the world using its powers. This isn't magic. It's something darker than sorcery. Something older and infinitely more dangerous. Let's stop it. Let's stop them all from destroying our world, from destroying magic.
Let's do this in the memory of our absent comrades. Shepard, Bob who can see, there's been enough death. Come back alive.
You've received your assignments. Prepare to move out. And when this night is over, let's all return here to watch the sun rise on a new Mercuria.
Ok, bon, le grand discours de
You know what to do.
d'avant-bataille, on va dire.
Ferdows will shut down the engine from the control room near the green. In order to do that, he needs me inside the tower.
You'll go alone?
I've been inside before. It will be easier on my own. Anna and Enu will escort Ferdows and keep him safe.
I wish we could fight side by side tonight, but your task is more important. And more perilous.
You'll have the Resistance by your side.
I couldn't ask for better company. My men won't flinch from their duty. When they learned what was being done to the non-humans, and what the camps were for. I wish there was time to spread the truth further. But instead, we're forced to fight our own. We can only hope that most choose to surrender, rather than remain loyal to Vamon.
I'm sure they will, once they find themselves facing you. Civil war is a terrible thing, Harmy. Most men shy from it. I don't envy you your task tonight.
We do what we must.
Ok.
Goddess protect you, Kian. If all goes well, we'll talk again soon.
We shall.
Alors ce qui est un petit peu comique, c'est qu'on a un peu l'impression que leur armée rebelle c'est 15 pélos, quoi, mais bon. Il y a un petit problème de dimension dans cette histoire. Toujours est-il que c'est sûrement une question de technique. De technique et de moyens. Alors, bah écoutez, on va descendre. Sûrement parler à Liko qui est tout en bas là, on le voit. Notre ami Liko.
That was a good speech. They will follow you to their deaths if necessary.
I hope that won't be needed. It's enough to know that we stand united. It's what we've been fighting for. And I no longer have to feel torn between two worlds. Thank you for trusting me, Liko. For convincing me to bring you to Gien. I consider you my brother, Liko. Stay safe tonight. All right. Everyone looks ready. Let's do this. For Shepard.
On dirait qu'ils vont se battre.
For Bob who can see. For all who were lost. For family.
Family.
Take care, brother. May your goddess smile upon you tonight.
Tiens, ça c'est curieux. Ça a changé mon destin. Peut-être que je pouvais juste ne pas lui parler. Parce que j'ai pas fait de choix là, mais bon. Ça va, Enu?
That was a really good speech. I'm sure someone's going to put that into play someday. You know, one of those stirring, heroic monologues before the final act, before everyone dies. I'm not saying everyone's going to die, I'm just saying Shepard. She would have approved.
I hope so.
Oh, she would. She knew you'd step up and take over one day. And she cared for you. As, you know, a friend. I don't think Shepard would. I mean, you and her? With you, you know, and her, you know, major compatibility issues.
When this is over, we'll honor her memory.
I'm sure Shepard would care more about us seeing this through than being memorialized. She stayed behind when her people left the Northlands to give us Magicals a chance of winning, of surviving. That is all that mattered to her.
Tonight's for Shepard, then. For Bob who can see. For all who were lost.
And for those of us still alive. Let's not forget those of us still alive.
Bien dit.
For all of us.
Yeah. I'm really scared. I mean, I wouldn't tell anyone else, but I really am. I do not want to die. I know I keep telling people I'm ready to die, but...
I know. And I can't tell you that won't happen. Because it might.
Great. Good to know. Very comforting. If I do die, then at least I died for something. Right? Something important. My life had meaning. That's something, right? Right. Well, good luck, Kian. What is it you people say? I hope your goddess smiles on you. And to be honest, on me as well. I mean, she's not my goddess, but I'd still appreciate a smile, or just the tiniest smirk. Maybe a wink? Basically, any kind of acknowledgement will do. I want to be in good standing with all gods, goddesses, and non-gendered deities tonight.
Oh, toujours aussi pipelette, hein, mais bon. Alors.
I stand with you, Kian. And I'm not the only one. Look around. These men and women would all lay down their lives for you.
Tiens, elle a un nom connu, elle. Tiens, c'est étrange, parce que je vois pas qui c'est. Laquelle Falk? C'est bizarre, ça.
Hami's men stand with us, but too many are still loyal.
Ah, je sais vraiment pas qui c'est laquelle Falk. Peut-être que c'était un généreux donateur du Kickstarter. Possible. Rebelle. Après, il y en a qu'un, donc ça me surprendrait. Mais bon.
I'm sorry I ever doubted you. What you did for those poor prisoners on Guyenne. I'll follow you into the fires of the Seven Hells if you ask me to.
I'm proud of them. After the raid on the Enclave, I wouldn't have blamed them for giving up. But here they are, ready to finish the fight.
If we'd known what they were doing to the Magicals, we would have refused to take orders from Commander Vamon. They've shamed the Empire, him and Sister Saya.
Ok, on va parler à tout le monde, hein, évidemment.
I'll pray for them.
Ulvik. Et du coup, j'ai appris qu'il pouvait être emprisonné ou mort, lui.
So much is on that man's shoulders tonight.
I'll join Enique's team going into Coldstone. If we can free the imprisoned rebels, we'll improve our chances. And if Benrim is still alive, I want to bring her home.
Benrim, effectivement. Elle a été emprisonnée, mais apparemment elle est pas morte, donc il y a peut-être des chances qu'elle se sauve. Enfin, qu'on la sauve plutôt. Enfin, il ne reste plus que Red Sonja là, je sais plus son nom. Ah, ouais, on a parlé à tout le monde. Il n'y a pas eu de nouveaux indicateurs comme quoi c'était important pour la suite, mais bon. Anna.
Anna, Elena, we haven't...
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not...
talked, and... Sorry, what were you saying?
Nothing. Don't worry about it, Kian, really. I'm glad you're back and in one piece. We have a job to do. We can talk after.
Good, yes, after. We really should.
Anu and I will escort Ferdows to the engine house in the green. We'll watch over him while he does whatever it is that he needs to do. Kian, are you sure we can trust him?
Do we have a choice? Yes, I believe we can.
Okay. He'll be ready when you found your way into the tower.
Something Hami said. Utana learned of my trip to Guyenne from a trusted source.
Ah non, on l'a vu qui c'était.
Did you tell Utana about Guyenne?
Alright, yeah. Yes, I did. I did it to help you. I trust the mother. I always have, ever since... Well, you know, you and her. You saved my life half a lifetime ago. I'm sorry for trying to help.
If you hadn't told Utana, I'd be dead now. So, thank you.
That's it. Thank you. We might never see each other again, and...
Oh là 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 là.
I can't give her everything she's hoping for, but I can at least say something to make her feel better. Words can never bridge the gap between us. I can't give her what she desires most, but I can still grant her a kiss.
Ouais, allez, on va faire ça parce qu'elle nous a avoué ses sentiments et qu'on est à la veille de... Enfin, pas à la veille, c'est juste après. De visiblement une grosse bataille, donc il y a des chances qu'elle se sacrifie. Je pense qu'il y en a plein qui vont se sacrifier. J'espère que Enu va rester en vie quand même. Mais bon.
Hey, whoa, what?
Ah.
Ah
bah, elle nous a rejeté.
No, that's not...
Sorry.
Don't do that. I am sorry for... Alright.
Are we leaving soon? Because
J'ai peut-être fait le mauvais choix du coup.
I'm afraid I'll just curl up into a ball and be of no use to anyone.
J'ai peut-être fait le mauvais choix.
And the Azadi are staying out their way. There's no better time. This whole reaping thing is giving them the willies. It's way too pagan for our pious occupiers.
I'll find a way into the heart of the tower.
And we'll stand by and wait for you to contact us.
You still believe you can shut the engine down remotely, Firdaus?
With your help? Unless they've disconnected the pipes. Yes, I believe so. I know they're still waiting on the final calculations to be sent to the tower, so if we hurry...
Then let's not waste any more time.
Just get inside the tower and find the engine and contact us via the speaking tube. I'll walk you through the steps needed for me to take control, and then I'll force the engine to crash.
Crash?
Crash! Wait, what's happening now? Why are we all saying crash? Has there been an accident?
If we feed it the wrong instructions, the engine will stop working. Like a cloud ship that, crashes into a mountainside. It's complicated, but really quite easy.
We'll have to take your word for it.
I've worked on the engine for years. I know how it operates.
Are you guys ready? I am so ready. I mean, not really, because I have no idea what we're doing, but I'm as ready as I'll ever be. Not that I feel ready. I prefer fighting an enemy I can see, and I don't understand what this engine is, or how Firdaus plans to stop it, or what it's doing, but... So how about it, guys?
Let's go. Be safe, Kian. If you die, I'll be very cross with you.
Ok. Eh bien écoutez, on va se laisser là pour cet épisode. On est à 45 minutes passées, oui. Mais on sent qu'on est bien avant la grosse bataille. Cependant, on va peut-être switcher de personnage et ça va me donner envie de poursuivre, c'est sûr. Parce que Zoé aussi, on ne sait pas où elle est. Ah, on reste avec Kian, très bien. Le plan est assez joli en tout cas. C'est vrai que c'est la fête des moissons. Eh bien écoutez, on va se laisser là et on va laisser l'armée rebelle attendre un petit peu pour la suite. En tout cas, moi j'espère que vous avez apprécié cet épisode. On se rapproche doucement de la fin forcément. On est livre 5 mais il peut encore se passer beaucoup de choses. Et je suis super curieux sur ce qu'il arrive à Zoé en fait, où est-ce qu'elle est. Ça me perturbe un petit peu d'ailleurs. Ça m'intéresse un petit peu plus, mais bon. On verra bien au prochain épisode. En attendant, moi je vous laisse là et je vous dis à la prochaine.